Hello everybody! I hope you're having a wonderful day. My name is Dr. Daniel Page, but you can just call me Dan or Daniel. So, I want to welcome you to the Advanced Data Structures, an Introduction to Data Structures and Algorithms video series. So, in this series, I guide us through a variety of data structures and algorithms topics. So, this series is most appropriate for someone that already has a bit of a programming background, but wants to learn more about data structures. So the material in this series is about comparable to many of the top Canadian universities in terms of data structures and algorithms courses. So I cover different topics than maybe those courses do, but generally a lot of the main ideas are in this series. I'll be spending a lot of time formalizing ideas that maybe otherwise were maybe presented in a less abstract way. And I want to do it in a way that is fun, but also going to make sure that you understand the ideas too. I give us plenty of examples, and together we navigate through these topics so that we have a general idea of the framework computer scientists typically talk about data structures and algorithms. So even if you don't necessarily have that background, this will hopefully help you lay out a lot of the foundations for which you could maybe study a little bit further, more deeper into theoretical computer science, or perhaps you have some background that you maybe want to supplement. Maybe you want to learn more about applications of computer science. A lot of the stuff you'll find in this series to be very helpful. I make some assumptions such as that you know what an array is versus a linked list. Likewise, I also make some presumptions like that you're familiar with the concept of a stack or a queue. But keep in mind, I do review a lot of these concepts in these videos. So I'm hoping you're excited to learn something new. There's a lot of stuff in this course. You might find it very fascinating. For me personally, I'm very big on the idea of introducing things very mathematically so that later on down the line, things won't look as cryptic and strange to you. So in this series, it's really important for me to really break down those ideas and keep it very simple. I want you to learn the benefits of using mathematics to really understand how computation actually works and why it works, which is a very important aspect of computer science. So one goal I have is to make sure that you come out of this series thinking a little bit more like a computer scientist does about these things. Not just looking at a computer program and saying, oh, does it kind of work? Or, oh, I ran some tests and it seemed to work. More rigorously think about things in terms of, is it always going to work? Is there examples where the algorithm does not work? Are there ways we can improve the efficiency of certain operations? These are kinds of questions I want you to start thinking about, and hopefully you'll have that appreciation by the time you end and complete the series. It's worth noting that there is a companion book to this series, so whenever I might refer to talking about some notes, or you may have difficulties taking notes for yourself. That is very real possibility. I do have a companion book. It is this one right here. It's of the same name as the series, Advanced Data Structures, an Introduction to Data Structures and Algorithms. It contains all the lecture notes for this series. So if you really just need a book that go along with the videos, that does exist, and I made it rather affordable. I'm really big on trying to make sure that you guys can get something and learn something with very little cost. Hence why all these videos are freely available. So that being said, thank you very much, and have yourself a beautiful day. I'll see you later.